If you're trying to choose between Render and Railway to deploy your full stack app, here is the straightforward, honest truth. Both give you flawless GitHub connected deployments, but their pricing models are entirely different. So, Render is built for predictability. It features a permanent free tier for static sites with basic web services starting at $7 a month and flat rate Pro Workspace tiers at $25 a month. Because it relies on plan based limits rather than pure usage, it is exceptionally easy to budget for and prevents surprise overage fees. So, Railway focuses on speed and metrics, charging you based on exact second by second resource consumption. You start with a 30-day free trial containing $5 in credits, which then transitions into a $5 a month hobby tier or a $20 pro baseline. While its built-in database setup is completely unmatched, a live production app with active traffic can easily creep up to $30 or $50 a month under their usage meter. So the verdict: for predictable fixed monthly billing and reliable free hosting, you pick Render. For fastest infrastructure setup with zero DevOps friction, go with Railway.